So both words are adverb. So very slowly, both words are adverb. So we have discussed in detail about through examples. Now we will move further about its kinds or types. First of all, let me repeat the definition of adverb. A word in a sentence that adds or qualifies in the meaning of verb is called adverb. Adverb. So we have discussed some adverbs through some examples. Now we are going to move towards its kinds. Let's have a look. Its kinds. So kinds of adverb. So there are three kinds. When we talk about the kinds of adverbs, so we say that there are three kinds. Yes, adverb of manner. The first kind is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. Second is adverb of place. Adverb of place. And the third one is adverb of time. So these three things are very easy to understand. There are three kinds of adverb, not so many, only three kinds. Only three basic kinds are there. Adverb of manner. You know that manner means, what does manner mean? Adverb of place. So you know that the sentences that will be related to place, that will cover adverb of manner. And then adverb of time. So these are three adverbs. Let me repeat once again. Adverb of manners. Adverb of place. Adverb of time. Now we can understand the concept of these adverb of manners, adverb of time, and adverb of place with the help of some example, with the help of some sentences. So you will be feeling very much ease, and you will be very much clear about the concept of adverb. So let's have a look the example of adverb of manners first. They fought bravely. The sentence I shared with you is they fought bravely. Look at that. They fought bravely. When the war started, certainly the fight took place. So how did they fight? They fought bravely. They fought bravely. So the bravely word is adverb of manner, because it is telling us that how did they fight? Did they fight cowardly or did they fight bravely? So this word bravely is telling us adverb of manner. Second sentence. Do not walk so fast. Yes, here is the sentence. Do not walk so fast. Do not walk so fast. So fast is adverb of manner. So fast. There are two words. Both are adverbs. So is an adverb as well as fast is an adverb. So fast is a very amazing word. It is an adjective. When we will be discussing adjective, then you will be better know. Adjective, fast is an adjective as well as an adverb. So in this sentence, it is acting as an adverb. How? Do not walk so fast. You know, someone is instructing that don't walk so fast. So here in the sentence, so fast is covering adverb of manner. So this, yes. So this was adverb of manners. That was the first type. And second type is adverb of place. Adverb of place. Let's have a look towards the sentences. The word that will be referred to place is, adverb of place. Look at that. They followed her everywhere. They followed her everywhere. Everywhere. They followed her in different cities, in different places. So they followed her everywhere. So everywhere is a word that is an adverb. Adverb. They followed her everywhere. So this word is an adverb that is being used here as an adverb of place. Second is, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you coming from? Where are you going to? Where are you going? The word where is an adverb of place. Where are you going? Yes, so you can understand this is an adverb and this is an adverb of place because it is related to place. Where? Where are you going? Are you going to home? Are you going to bazaar? Are you going to picnic place? Are you going for shopping? So where are you going? So the word where is an adverb of place. Then comes adverb of time. So before moving to adverb of time, let me repeat. First of all, we discuss adverb of manner. Then we discuss adverb of place. And now we are going to discuss adverb of time. So there are, you already know that there are three types or kinds of adverbs. There are three kinds of adverb. So now we are going to talk about adverb of time. Let's have a look. When will you learn to do it? The sentence is, when will you learn to do it? When will you learn to do it? So the word that is related to time is when. When. So the word that is related to time, that is when. So that's why this is called adverb of time. The match will be started at the given time. The match will be started at the given time. So the word given time is adverb of time. Adverb of time. So today we discuss about adverb, its definition, and we understood the concept of adverb through some examples, and then we went in detail and we discussed about its kinds. We discussed that there are mainly three kinds: adverb of manners, adverb of place, and adverb of time. So these are three types. These are very important to understand. Sometimes we confuse it with noun and sometimes we confuse it with pronoun. But for getting clarity, it's very important the word that gives or adds in the meaning of verb, adjective or adverb itself is called an adverb. So these are the things that we have discussed. Besides it, along with it, we have also discussed the pronunciation of some words. Do you remember to which words I gave focus while speaking to you? Because pronunciation is I believe the pronunciation can be corrected by focusing then and there. We cannot understand and discuss this topic separately. The best thing, the best possible thing will be when the word is introduced, either this is small or big, so we can also throw some light on its pronunciation. So today we discuss about some pronunciation about was, like these kind of words. Was, I spoke that you have to speak it was, not was. So uh, so this is the topic that we covered in parts of speech, that was adverbs. So today we discussed the adverb in detail. Inshallah, in the next coming lectures, you will be uh, understanding about the concept of other parts of speech. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself and the people you are with. Allah Hafiz.